built out a camper van, a Boxer, 2004, to go traveling through South Africa.
Ja, alles daar zo. Kom laat even mee kom.
I'm an artist and Graham still works part-time, so we travel when we can. We've had the most amazing trip so far, local and further out.
Subscribe to see more.
So Graham, what you doing here?
I'm making this silly thing for you.
It's not silly. It's beautiful.
Making a fly protection. I mean a mosquito net.
Yes. Bzzz. So what did it do?
Bit me all over. My whole body was just flipping eaten.
He was so cross in the middle of the night. I was scared to be next to him.
You see? Now you know. Gonna make me cross.
Huge holes to find pipes. There's the one pipe. And then we've dug all along here. There's the other pipe. We had to dig this big hole. You can't see in the shade here. Yeah, so big fat mess here in the garden. Just poor flatlet. Anyway, we're getting on with it. The flat's looking lovely. What happened here, Graham?
Okay, so this is the foundation, this here, the foundation which was there, joining up to here. That foundation was part of that system that holds that pillar up, but there's plenty of concrete here, so it can't fall over. When they put it in, they didn't know that there was a flippin' drain here, and they poured the concrete, you can see here, over it. And I couldn't get it loose, I was chiseling it by hand and all sorts of things.
Look how big it is.
In here. And eventually my son brought his, I'm not going to mention the name, brought his drill bit, which is a hammer tool as well.
I can't actually see it. Oh, because there it's sitting there, yeah.
Which puts the, you can put these, that's a drill bit.
Yeah.
These are the chisels. It can be a chisel gun as well, so in pounds.
So we did half of that concrete.
Jeffrey was here, my son.
Yeah.
And he did about a third this when he was here, and he said, "What the hell did you make this with? It's so hard."
Yeah.
When he knows that this thing on normal house walls and everything just breaks it in a few seconds.
Yeah.
Must have spent about 20 minutes there. So this morning I just chiseled a bit more there, but I did start chiseling before that.
Yes. Yeah. You by hand.
The day before. Anyway, so when I chiseled now and I drilled, I thought, wait a minute, I'm going to drill a whole process of holes right next to each other and put the guala in and try and break them off that way. And it kind of worked. That's a 22mm drill. And the guala, this is about 30. But I forced it in and managed to break it off. And then I just guala it in here, where it was. I put it in the corner there. Bam! Fell down.
You called me to come watch it. Yes. We forgot to video it falling over.
I put the pick from the corner down because there's plastic pipe there. I didn't want it to fall on that, so it fell on the pick instead of falling onto that, because that would have crushed those pipes and then I would have had even more to pay for.
Okay.
Cool. There you go, Jeff. These two elbows go on here.
Oh, okay.
And then from here, there's another one that goes in there. It's got a vent on it.
Okay.
That I've got already. It's in the... No, let me get it and just show you.
Yeah.
The toilet comes out there.
Yeah.
It's not going to fit now because this spot's in the way. I'm just going to push it out like this. This one goes on there.
Yeah.
This is the vent.
Okay.
Then that goes on there.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
And that goes there.
Yeah.
Like that onto this pipe.
Okay.
That's how that goes.
So, Graham.
Okay, so I'm going to use this piece of part, this
Yeah.
little offcut.
Okay.
I'm going to cut small pieces. If you can look here, you'll see there's a step.
Yeah.
See this step? That's
Yeah.
how far this pipe goes in here.
Okay.
If you look in there, you'll see it there. I don't know if you can see in there. I might have to get some kind of sun in there.
Yeah, I can see it through.
Okay, it's because there's that niche there.
Mm-hmm.
So that the flow is without resistance.
Okay.
There mustn't be any kind of resistance, otherwise it picks up.
Okay.
So I'm going to cut them all and join the whole lot together like this. Just a short little piece like that, so they butt up.
Okay. So it'll be buttered up.
I'm going to butter it up.
Okay. For
I
your.
butter my contacts. Okay.
Yeah. All Graham's hard work. Been covered up. This is how far Graham's gone.
Yep.
He's done the drain. He's got to put cement in there.
Yeah, I'm going to set it in cement to make it level and everything. But
And
yeah, that's basically where it's going to be. I mean, the paving goes underneath there. You can see where the paving goes. So I might just do that bit of paving first before I put the cement in.
he's done well.
So this is where the pipes are down below that we filled up, they filled with the sand, stamped it. Now I'm putting the bricks back.
Yeah,
Put a concrete around the drain.
very good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week if we have something to put up. And keep well. Have a good week. Stay blessed. Love you all. Please subscribe, comment, and like. If you love our videos, you put on weight, Graham? No.